As you heard earlier from Dario, we launched 2 new models today, Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4. And I'm going to talk through 4 main improvement areas: thinking and tool use, memory, instruction following, and reduced reward hacking. We'll discuss how these improvements contribute towards our agent vision. Let's start with extended thinking and tool use. Earlier this year, we launched Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which was our first hybrid reasoning model. And what that means is the model can respond near instantly to your request or think deeply before responding. With Claude 4, we're expanding on thinking by introducing a new beta capability for Claude to alternate between thinking and tool use. Let me walk you through an example. So here I've provided Claude with a CSV of bike rental data, and I gave it a very open-ended prompt. I told it to just tell me the 3 most interesting things about this data. Claude has access to a REPL tool, which lets it run code autonomously to analyze the data. But it's never seen this data before. So when it first thinks, it's actually thinking quite tactically about how to handle the large file. And the first thing it does is print itself out the headers so that it can understand the data structure and what is even in this data. It's only in the second and third thinking block that it starts to actually think about the prompt and the problem at hand. So it starts to plan where it's going to find interesting patterns. It decides to look for hourly patterns in bike rentals, different patterns for casual versus registered users, and seasonal and weather patterns. Oops, sorry. It runs through its plan, completing the analysis, and Claude was able to find interesting patterns like the fact that casual versus registered users have different time of day usage. It found a clear evening commuting pattern, and kind of no surprise to any of us, it found that bike rentals were 1.8 times more common on sunny days versus rainy days. The next capability I want to talk about is memory. We think memory is critically important for our next generation agents vision for 2 reasons.